Water is boring, but it might be delicious and healthier with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have a cold glass of water here, and I also have this. It's True Lemon Lemonade. Now, I picked this up because this actually seemed to be kind of unique in the world of lemonade. Right here, you can see that it says made from real lemons. Now, that doesn't mean that it's just the lemons, but as I was reading about this, it said because it actually has the extract from real lemons here, or somehow they freeze dry it in some way, it actually gives you some of the benefits of throwing a lemon into your water. So we all love throwing a lemon or lime, lemon lime into water here, and so that will give you some of those citrus benefits of lemon. Now, I do want to show you here that they do add a little bit of stevia and sugar, and so there is 1 gram of sugar in each of these packets here, but they're 10 calories, non-GMO, no gluten, natural flavors, no colors, no nothing. Now, I also want to show you that I pulled out one of these packets, and they're pretty small, they're very easily travelable. This is pretty typical of all of the type of instant drink packets, but if it is tasty and healthier than some of the other ones, I think this could be a good option. So just tears off like that, and I'm going to go ahead and pour it into this. It actually says to add it to 16 ounces of water. I actually think I have quite a bit more than 16 ounces here, but you know what? It doesn't have to be a stiff drink to like it. I'm going to stir it up there. As you can see, actually it seems to take just a little bit more time to dissolve than some of the other powdered ones that I've tried before, but it does dissolve pretty quickly here. All right, that looks like watered down lemonade for the most part, but looks pretty lemonade-ish, especially since it says no added colors. So let's give it a try. Oh, wow, it's pretty good. I'll tell you what, it's got a little tartness of like a real lemon. I'm not saying it's really tart, like sucking on a lemon, but if you've ever had real lemonade, there's that little bit of tartness, which is why you add a lot of sugar to them to kind of take that edge off. But this has just a little bit of that hint of tartness that I wasn't expecting, because as it hits you, it tastes like a Country Time or maybe a Crystal Light. I mean, it kind of tastes just like a lemonade, but it's delicious. But it's that back end tartness that kind of makes it really feel natural, and so that's a really good indication, I think, that this is a little bit different. So this really does dress up the lemonade. Pretty awesome. A friend of mine from high school told me, if you're going to drink out of a straw, then you should really own it. And because it's made out of real lemons instead of some of the artificial lemonades, I think this is quite a bit healthier and a better alternative than many of those other lemonades. Now, you don't have to just like lemonade. In fact, I did notice here that not only do they have lemonade, but they also have mango and black cherry, peach, and raspberry. So you can get a bunch of different flavors here as well. So I'm sure there's something for everyone. But if you want to try True Lemon's brand of lemonade, it definitely sweetens up water and is probably a healthier alternative to some of the other instant drinks. If you want to pick these up, I'll put a link to them in the description. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.